What's good, tube viewers? Your boy Chugs back again today, looking at influence. Now we're finally doing a video on how the marketplace works. Okay, so what we're gonna first do is click our little marketplace here. We're gonna go into building management and go to marketplace settings here on the right. You can make a maker's fee and a taker's fee. Max 25%, you can see here, minimum 0. Now that means anyone using would incur a fee and anyone buying from would take a fee. So what you then need to do is list products. Now I'm selling bitumen and water. They were my two trial runs of things, my resources that I own that I'm looking to sell. I'm going to go through a little walkthrough with you here. All right, an easy step-by-step little guide, at least for the most part. Once you've done that, you need to save it, update it, and it takes a little bit of time to register with the marketplaces and actually put your marketplace onto the world, the realm of markets. So you have my primal market here, as you can see. Now you know that it's on there by clicking here on the right hand side and going to marketplace products. These are my two products that I am selling. Okay, so how do I sell? Why hasn't it been working? Why has it been so troubling? It's been a journey to say the least. You must click marketplace and click sell. Now, I then type in what I want to sell, for example, my bitumen. I then look down the left-hand side and you see that my primal market has finally appeared. It has come up. What we're going to look at is clicking on this and clicking transact with it. So it doesn't actually let me click sell and put anything in. It doesn't work. This way is sucky. So what you need to do is actually click limit order and then put in how much you want to sell and how much you want to sell it as. Once you do that, you then just click the button down here, create limit order, and it kind of just works really easily. But my crew's busy, so I've got like an hour and a little bit left until I can do that. How would I know how much of anything I have to sell? Well, that's where you'd go use some of the beautiful tools. For example, a Dahlia info. Okay, I've then gone to tools, yeah, and I'm processes finder, right here, the first one. I put in my address, and it tells me what I have in my warehouse, right? So it's saying I've got 5.51 kilotons of bitumen. Now I have more of that, but I've already put that into my marketplace to sell. Okay, I can then also sell the carbon monoxide, the methane, the water. Again, I need to add those other things to the list, but I've currently got bitumen and water. Okay, so I could sell those things. And this tells you how much I have of that. So for example, I could sell 5.51 kilotons right now of bitumen. So what I do, I'd go back to here, I'd click sell, click my limit order, and I put in my 550000, whatever it is, of kilotons, and then I would click bickety bam. Now there might be some other footage of doing that. If it is, I'll go to it now. Trade dashboard, and I go down to bitumen here. Alright, the floor price is 0.001. I'm going to just type in 0.001. Well, let's say that's probably the amount we have. Let's see if we can actually earn some money back. So that's 25.5 kilotons. I had the right amount. 25.5. 25.5. Let's get rid of the 5 and just go 20 kilotons. Put it up for 40k. See what happens. It might be extremely cheap. It might be overpriced. I don't know. Either way, we'll get more. Done. That's your boy Chugs signing out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one on Influence in the Belt of Adalia.